So
This is the boy, and this is the papa.
Papa loves to feed this boy. It just so happens he's having a butterscotch sundae, and he loves it. Yeah,
And a
we
truck?
were reading a book about Harry the Dirty Dog, and we were seeing pictures of trucks, and he knows about trucks very nicely.
Raise your hand if you love ice cream.
Yes. Yes. Is it delicious?
Look at him dancing around. Man, he loves ice cream.
You like your father and your grandpa.
That's hysterical.
Yeah.
Raise your hand if you like ice cream.
Okay.
I love you, boy. Do you like the butterscotch in there too?
The butterscotch is delicious, isn't it?
Isn't it good?
It's delicious.
It's
It's delicious.
Raise your hand if you love Daddy.
It's very nice.
He loves it. Okay. See ya.